Hello guys, my name is Flora and this is Flora TV, where I show you how to make simple recipes using simple ingredients. So today guys, on today's episode, we are going to make coconut milk without any blender or any machine. You just need your grater, a bowl and coconut. So what I did to this coconuts guys, I just remove it from the shell of the coconuts. So let's start. You're just going to grate. Okay guys, so we are done grating our coconut and this is how much we've got, and this was just one coconut. So the next step, we are going to warm like 1 cup of water. So the water is already warm enough to mix with our coconuts. So we're going to mix like that. Mix. Mix like this. Okay, our milk is ready. We are just going to sieve using this. And here you have your coconut milk guys.